Hello everyone, this is our another resource with us. His name is Kalicharan Das. He has also joined through our EILP, that is Employee Internship Learning Program process. So as we all know that this process is going on across pan-India basis. So there are loads of people who have joined and Kalicharan is one of them who has joined through this process, and right now he is working with us in our projects and he has started his training with us. So right now we are going to talk with Kalicharan. Hi Kalicharan, this is Mitra.
Hello,
Hi.
hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm Kalicharan Das from Baleshwar, Odisha, and I'm recently completed my MCA in GIT University,
Okay.
and I'm now going to work with PCS Global from Java developer, joining as a associate Java developer. So that's of mine.
Okay, so you have joined as Java developer. So have you learned Java before? After joining PCS, before joining PCS Global, is there any proper training you have done in Java?
But ma'am, some little bit doubt is here that here providing the Java training. Ghosh sir is there, and he provided it to Java training for Java. That Java training are clearing for all our doubts. And recently, continue are the classes, ma'am. Java classes. Continue
तो
on the Java
तुमने
class.
जब पीसीएस ग्लोबल ज्वाइन किया उसके पहले तुमने जावा का ट्रेनिंग किया हुआ था, तो वहां पे तुम्हारा कुछ कंफ्यूजन था, राइट?
था बट इतना भी विविडली नहीं पता था जहाँ यहाँ आके पता आ रहा है.
Okay, so what our teachers are providing, our mentors are providing you, that is better than that.
Better than that.
Okay, great. So right now you can understand, मतलब तुम्हें ये पता है कि difference क्या है before joining PCS
Yes.
Global and after joining PCS Global.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Kalicharan, tell me one thing, from where you get to know about PCS? कहाँ से तुम्हें PCS Global के बारे में पता चला? Have you got any mail?
No, ma'am. Firstly, I found in Naukri.com your PCS Global. Then apply here. Then after some time, I can see the HR number in her Naukri.com. Then directly contact to HR. Then HR ma'am told to just wait for just wait some time. I manage the one meeting for another HR. Then ma'am are told to me, okay, don't worry, this HR or higher authorities are busy for some another work. Just wait, I'm talking to you. Then ma'am are mailed to me for joining as a EILP
EILP process.
program process. Then I'm joining for that meeting and I'm getting interview for 2 rounds. Then selected for the PCS.
Okay, so you got interviewed for 2 rounds and then you have joined PCS Global. Great. So this is the process. So Kalicharan, this EILP process is a huge process because more than you've seen in your groups also, there are loads of people. Okay,
yes,
50 to 60 people in one batch.
And my friend, one of my friend are also joining in this field.
Okay, is he recommended by, he or she is recommended by you, or he has?
Yes.
Okay, you recommended. So tell me one thing, Kalicharan, what do you think that EILP is gonna help our freshers or our youth candidates?
Lot of help for our fresher, ma'am. Lot of help because we are not a fresher right now. I'm completely going to a cooperative life.
True.
Right now, I'm not a fresher.
From the very first day when you join PCS Global, you will be the employee of PCS Global. What we have said in our sessions, and that you are right now you are experiencing that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So, Kalicharan, tell me one thing. What are our trainers are giving you? What kind of the quality training we are providing you? Is it going to help you to work in live projects or making any another thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Developing
Yes,
software.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
they are providing by with meaning all of this coding language or programming language.
Okay. So who are the trainers? Who is giving you the training?
Shubhajit Ghosh.
Shubhajit Ghosh.
Shubhajit Ghosh.
Is it Shubhajit or Shubhabroto?
So no, sorry, ma'am. Shubhabrata Ghosh. Sorry, ma'am.
Shubhabroto. Okay. Shubhat is providing you the training. Great. So tell me about the classes. How they are teaching you? Like, if there is any doubt, are they helping you? Or if you got any,
Yes, ma'am. If any doubt right now, that time I can ask to sir, sir, this is the doubt and how is it to work? Then sir explain repeatedly one by one,
they're explaining you it repeatedly one by one? Okay,
one by one.
great. Kalijan, what do you think after joining PCS Global and before joining PCS Global? What was your thought process? Like, it was not easy to find a job without having a support, right?
Yes,
So,
yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
it's not.
yeah, tell me.
हाँ मैम, मैं बोल रहा ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा चीज है कि जॉब पाने के लिए कोई तो सपोर्ट आ रहा है पीछे से.
True. So you're getting the confidence that after having this training, you will start working with us, or else we are going to send you another company.
Yes, ma'am. Confident.
Okay. So what we commit, we do. So within 10 days or within 3 months or within 20 days, people are getting the confidence of about PCS Global, because PCS Global is the platform to start the career. And who are the fresher candidates right now? You guys are sitting in your home and you are thinking, oh, either it's possible for me to do it or not. I will say that these are the candidates like Kalicharan, like another people also who has joined this process. They can only tell you because they had experienced that. So if you think that it's not possible for me, kindly join our EILP process for one time and see the difference, right, Kalicharan?
Yes, ma'am. Right there.
Okay. So thank you, Kalijan, for giving your valuable time. I will connect with you any other time. Okay. So right now,
Okay. Thank
bye
you.
for now.
Thank you.
Complete your training and get the best from our side and have a
Okay, ma'am.
great career ahead. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome.